Good morning, students of class 2. Today we will continue with your next lesson, that is cleanliness and health. So everyone open your EVS book to the lesson cleanliness and health, and let us start the chapter today. So today's date is the 14th, and everyone open your books to the lesson cleanliness and health. Let us start the lesson. Everything around us, gardens, roads, playgrounds, houses, plants, and animals, is part of our surroundings. The air, water, and soil around us are also part of our surrounding. So, what are they saying? That everything that is around us, that is the garden, the roads, the playground, the houses, the plants, animals, all are part of our surroundings. Okay, these are all part of our surrounding. The air, the water, the soil that is around us are also part of our surrounding. So, what are part of our surrounding? The garden, roads, playgrounds, houses, plants, animals, the air, water, soil, these are all part of our surroundings. Unclean surroundings. What is unclean? Something that is not clean, okay? Any kind of waste that we throw away is garbage. What is garbage? The waste that we throw away is called garbage. Our surrounding becomes dirty when we throw garbage on the roadside, playgrounds, or into lakes, ponds, and rivers. So, see over here this image, when we throw anything into the lake, pond, or river, it causes an unclean environment. When we throw waste or garbage on the roadside and playground, it causes an unclean surrounding. The garbage thrown around us spreads germs and makes the air dirty. Okay? Garbage thrown into rivers, ponds, and lakes make the water unfit for drinking. So, when the garbage is thrown, it spreads a lot of diseases and spreads a lot of germs. Okay? And makes the air very dirty. And when garbage is thrown into rivers, ponds, and lakes, it makes the water unfit for drinking. Breathing dirty air and drinking dirty water can make us ill. So, when you have dirty air around and when you drink dirty water, it will make you sick, it will make you ill. We should keep our surroundings clean, and so we should keep our surroundings clean. Keeping our surroundings clean. Clean surroundings help us to live a healthy life. We can keep our surroundings clean in the following ways. So let us see how. Do not litter parks, schools, and roadsides. Do not litter meaning do not throw garbage in parks, schools, or roadsides. Do not spit on roads or walls. Do not write on walls. Throw waste into dustbins and keep the dustbins covered. Use paper or cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Grow more plants, as plants keeps the air clean and make our surroundings beautiful. So these are the things that we should keep in mind to keep our surrounding clean. We should keep our neighborhood green and not harm the plants growing there. We should not pluck the flowers from the garden. We should not harm the plants growing around us. We should not cut trees. We should plant more trees in our neighborhood. It is our duty to look after our neighborhood. So, what are they saying? That we should keep our neighborhood very green by planting a lot of trees. We should not harm the trees that are growing over there. We should not pluck the flowers from the garden in our neighborhood. We should not harm the plants that are growing. We should not cut the trees. We should instead plant more trees in our neighborhood. It is our duty to look after our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Where you stay and the people around you and everyone around is known as the neighborhood. Okay, so next is how to dispose of waste. How do we throw waste? Dispose meaning throwing. So, how to throw waste? Some people throw garbage on the streets outside their homes. This is not the right way to do something. Okay, this is not the right way to throw garbage. You do not throw it just on the road. How can we throw garbage? We should throw the rubbish in bins and give away the rubbish to the garbage collector. Understood? So we should not throw the garbage just on the road. Whereas we should collect the garbage in the bin, throw it in the bin and give it to the garbage collector. Even when we are in schools or outside in parks, shopping malls or other places, we should look for a dustbin to throw waste. So even when we are outside, we should not just throw waste here and there. We should always look for dustbin and throw the waste into the dustbins. It is very important to remove garbage from our homes and our surroundings regularly. Most houses collect waste in dustbins, which is then taken away by the garbage collector. In our homes, we should have separate dustbins for dry and wet waste. So, garbage is thrown in the home into a dustbin. There should be two dustbins, one for dry waste and one is for the wet waste. And then this is collected and given to the garbage collector. In cities, big containers are kept in neighborhoods for the collection of garbage. So in very big cities, there are very, very big containers where all the garbage of the city is thrown into. These containers are emptied out regularly. Regularly, the garbage is emptied from these big containers. We should not allow garbage to collect in dumps. Meaning we should not just dump garbage. Okay? Because by dumping garbage in one place, flies and mosquitoes will come and breed on them. And that will cause a lot of diseases. Clear? Now let us come to staying healthy. We have already learned the importance of eating healthy food, isn't it, students? Now we will learn why should we stay healthy. Apart from this, we have to keep our body healthy, fit. Okay? So what are the points? How to stay healthy? We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of clean water every day. Sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours every day. Exercise regularly. Play some games and sports regularly. There are many kinds of exercises that we can do to stay in good health. Some of these are walking, skipping, jogging, running, yoga, swimming and dancing. See? Skipping is over here, running, yoga, swimming. By doing all these exercises, we can keep ourselves in good health. Keeping our surroundings clean and taking care of our health will help us to have a good and a healthy life. I hope this is clear to you, students. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. Now, in this lesson, what are the points that we need to keep in mind? Keep your surrounding clean and green. That is, do not throw garbage outside your home. Do not litter. Do not spit on roads or walls. Plant more trees. Use cloth bags. Okay? Dispose of waste properly. How? Throw waste in bins. Give away rubbish to garbage collector. Okay? How to stay healthy? Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Sleep for 8 to 9 hours every day. Exercise regularly. Play some games or sports. This is what we have learnt in today's lesson. Now let us come to the difficult words that we learnt in today's lesson. Rubbish. Rubbish meaning things that are not needed and are of no use. Bin. something that we use to collect waste. Garbage collector, a person who collects rubbish. Breed, to produce young ones. Regularly, to do something again and again with the same amount of time in between. Okay. Regularly means to do something again and again with the same amount of time in between. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, dear students. We will do the exercise work in your next class. Okay, students, thank you, students, and God bless you.